Now, with the AgSync integration, we have a new tab.
We're going to talk about and introduce what we call our Raven Connected Workflow. And so we'll describe...
Again, the important part of what we want to do with AgSync and managing work orders and managing this efficiency is being able to have visibility to that order at every step of the way.
The InfoAg conference is entering its 25th year of service to the industry, ag retailers, and top growers, and Raven has been there since the beginning of ag's technology revolution. Raven's connected workflow solutions synchronize a retail operation from office to field and back again, and now with the acquisition of AgSync, our revolutionary connectivity through Raven Slingshot completes the total field operations equation. In Part 4, we ask an ag retailer to share his experiences with the connected workflow.
So we've been using the iPads in the cab for the dispatch module and then utilize the Slingshot for the connectivity via Wi-Fi. With the connected workflow and the orders going directly to the Viper 4 field computer, we've had pretty good success. We've tested it on 5 machines consistently since the Memorial Day weekend, essentially, producing well over several hundred jobs through those machines. It seems to be very reliable. There's a few things here or there early on, but they seem to have gotten those cleaned up pretty quick this time, so very excited. The operators love the benefit of having the jobs pre-populated, and then the sales staff appreciate that the job information is accurate. So we'll start with order creation. Those orders are all uniform now. There's no more turn in one piece of paper, this type of map for this salesman, a different type of map. They're all created in the AgSync website. So that's a huge one. And then that allows our operators to have pertinent job information and the correct job information to the cab, allowing them to be confident that they're in the right field, they know the right information to make a good application for our grower members. I would say the next one is probably that overall operator efficiency in the field because of that job information. And then just day in and day out, they have a plan. So the order creation in AgSync allows us to make blend tickets ahead of time. They're not waiting for blend tickets potentially, or waiting for that information to get to the field. And then finally is the rinsing. As I discussed earlier today, we're managing 5 bean varieties today. Of those, we can't go from one to the next, so it's really easy to look at a broader area and ensure that we're not rinsing a sprayer at one of our locations while the other sprayer is doing that set crop zone that we need today. So those would be the very high level. And then of course the operator comfort and knowledge of knowing where he's going next and how to get there next. Initially we saw that 10% right away. That's actual machine productivity increase of 10%. What we also noticed is another efficiency increase due to that reduced rinsing and better information. Overall, we saw our operation per acre cost go down as well. So I wouldn't put a percentage on that one for you, but it's been very well received.
To find out more about Raven's connected workflow, visit ravenslingshot.com/connectedworkflow.